See safety helmet. There are body of safety helmet. It is harness, chin strap, shock absorbing material. How to use safety helmet? First, check whether there are any abnormalities in the body. Harness, chin strap, and shock absorbing material of the safety helmet. Second, adjust the harness so that it fits the size of your head. Third, ensure the chin strap is placed around the both ears. Around both ears. Fourth, tighten the chin strap securely so that the safety helmet does not come off. Yes, thank you.